There's a weird storm drain right next to the thing. You can see the beacon there, and there's like this weird storm drain thing there. Right. Same nerds again. They're after me, I swear. I'm not going to pretend like that was slightly amusing. It really wasn't. It was a little bit. Here they come again. Here we go.
I'm doing my walk. What do you think I'm doing? It's not like I'm already in the wheel of a vehicle yet. See you soon in the future, bud.
I didn't know I caught that on camera. Squeaky wheels. Alright, that's it. I'm not gonna cross over here. If I did, I would have been already back here again. But no, I'm not.